Hello friends, these are some of the HSTR important questions from the lesson Sexual Reproduction in the Flowering Plant. The first question is, among the terms listed below, those that are not technically correct names for the floral oral are. The options are androecium, carpel, corolla and sepal. The correct answer is carpel and sepal. The second question is, embryo sac is to ovule as dash is to an anther. Answer is C. Pollen grains. Next question, third question. In a typical complete bisexual hypogynous flower, the arrangement of floral oral on the thalamus from the outermost to the innermost is. Answer is B. Calyx, corolla, gynoecium and androecium. Next question, fourth question. A dicotyledonous plant bear the flower. A dicotyledonous plant bears the flower but never produces the fruits and seeds. The most probable case of the above situation is. The answer is D. The plant is dioecious and bears only staminate flowers. This means the male plant is separate and the female plant will be separate. In such case, they will never produces the fruits and seeds. Okay, in the male plants we can only see the flowers. The next question is the fifth question. The outermost and the innermost wall of microsporangium in an anther are respectively. The answer is B. The outermost is epidermis and the innermost is endodermis. Next question, sixth question. During microsporogenesis, meiosis occurs in. The answer is meiosis occurs in microspore mother cells. Next question, seventh question. From among the sets of terms given below, identify those that are associated with the gynoecium. The answer is A. The sigma, ovule, embryo sac and placenta are associated with the gynoecium. Next question, eighth question. Starting from the innermost part, the correct sequence of parts in an ovule are. The answer is B. Egg, embryo sac, nucellus, integument. These are the correct sequence of parts of ovule. Next question, ninth question. From the statements given below, choose the options that are true for the typical female gametophyte of a flowering plant. The answer is option 1 and 2. It is 8 nucleated and 7 celled at maturity, and it is free nuclear during the development. These are the two correct options regarding the female gametophyte. The next is the 10th question. Autogamy can occur in the chasmogamous flower if. Answer is C. Both pollen and ovule matures simultaneously, because in some plants maturation of ovule and pollens will be different. Here in the autogamy, the maturation of pollen and ovules will be at a time. Simultaneously, they both will mature. The next question, 11th question is, choose the correct statement from the following. We need to select the correct statement. The correct statement is option A. That is, clistogamous flowers always exhibits autogamy. Okay, then the next question, 12th question. 12th question. A particular species of plant produces light, non-sticky pollens in large numbers, and its stigmas are long and feathery. These modifications facilitates the pollination by wind. They need to fly through the wind and they need to reach to the sigmatic surface, so they will be light. Okay, the next question is 13th question. From among the situations given below, choose the one that prevents both autogamy and gynonogamy. The answer is B. Dioecious plants bears only male or female flowers. Next, 14th question. This is very important question. In a fertilized embryo sac, the haploid, diploid and the triploid structures are. The answer is C. The haploid structure is antipodal, the diploid structure is synergids, and the triploid structure is primary endosperm nucleus. Okay, this is the answer. The next 15th question. In an embryo sac, the cells that degenerate after the fertilization are. Answer is B. Answer is synergids and antipodals. These are going to be degenerated after the fertilization. The next 16th question. While planning for an artificial hybridization program involving dioecious plants, which of the following steps would not be relevant? The process of emasculation means removal of anthers. Emasculation is not necessary in the dioecious plants because there will be the male and female separate. So the removal of anthers is not required in the process of hybridization in the dioecious plants. The process is emasculation. The next 17th question. 17th. In the embryos of typical dicot and the grass, two homologous structures are. The answer is C. Cotyledons and scutellum. They are the true homologous structures. Next 18th question. C. This is very important question. This is asked previous years. The phenomenon observed in some plants wherein parts of sexual apparatus is used for forming embryos without fertilization is called apomixis. Don't get confused with parthenocarpy. Don't get confused. It is apomixis. Next, 19th question and remaining two questions. In a flower, if the megaspore mother cells forms megaspores without undergoing meiosis, and if one of the megaspores develops into the embryo sac, its nuclei would be. The answer is B. Diploid. Third, last question, 20th question. The phenomenon wherein the ovary develops into a fruit without fertilization is called parthenocarpy. This is also, you please don't get confused with the apomixis. Parthenocarpy, apomixis, both are different. Thank you friends. In my next video, I'm going to come up with some more new questions. Thank you.